Hello again. This video is a continuation of the previous one, where I will add several breaks to the style I have already created. One of the most practical approaches is to have a library of ready-made styles and loops. This gives you more options and an easy way to add and configure each of your styles. In my case, I have a style that includes several breaks, but it was originally recorded at 120 BPM. This is not a problem, because I can easily change the tempo using FL Studio and Edison to 90 BPM, which is exactly what I need, since the style I created earlier is at 90 BPM. Here I already have a finished style at 90 BPM. These are drum-only loops, without additional instruments, and for breaks, drums are completely sufficient. Of course, it is possible to add bass guitar accents or other instruments to the breaks, but in my case, I will use drums only. I will copy these break files and add them to the Petermisco folder. So that all added loops are stored in one place and well organized. When I open the style, I will add a new track and insert these breaks there. Since these are drum-only loops, I will not use by note plus chord, but only note. The reason is that in the main track, the style is triggered by both a note and a chord, while for drums, only a note is required. When I add the first break from the new loops, I notice an error message, or the software cannot recognize the loop configuration correctly. The issue is related to the file name. You simply need to include the tempo in the name of each loop, and the problem disappears. After that, I will add the breaks to the style using the familiar method I have shown in my previous videos, and I expect a good final result. When I test the style with the new additions, it already has a classic structure, 3 variations, 3 breaks, and 3 fills. In my opinion, this is more than enough. Personally, I am very satisfied with the final result. I hope this video was interesting and useful for you. Thank you for watching my channel. See you soon.